So I love when I see a drummer transition from a rock groove into a Latin groove. I feel like it really separates beginner drummers from intermediate drummers, and not just be able to transition from rock to Latin, but from one type of groove into another type of groove, make it seamless, make it flow. I took these specific ideas from Todd Sucherman, this video, and from this Gretsch demo video. Okay, so as always, the idea is not just to learn these two examples and call it good. The idea is to use these two examples as a starting place, and then the ultimate goal is to be able to sit down at the kit and you are the one who's coming up with these things. You're the one that's speaking, right? You have this vocabulary, you've worked it out in your hands and your feet, and when you sit down, it just comes out. But this ability to transition smoothly between these kinds of grooves, again, it's really something that when you watch a drummer who, it just feels like they know what they're doing. This is one of the things that they do. They can transition smoothly. So let's go ahead and just look at these particular examples broken down slowly so that you can start here, you can learn these. They can spark your interest in this, and then you can go down a deeper rabbit hole in learning about different rock grooves, different Latin grooves, and then you can figure out how you want to weave those two together. And make it flow. But we'll go through it slowly now. I've tried to break down each limb individually, and at least we start individually and then we start stacking the limbs on top of each other. I will also include notation in the description. Once again, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm coming out with a video every Tuesday at 2 o'clock right now. So please keep subscribing, keep checking this out, and let me know what else you'd like to see. I want to help beginner drummers that have been playing for a long time too, that have never built up any kind of hand technique or foot technique and want to improve. So would love to help you on that journey. Thanks again for checking this out. Have a great day.